Attention business owners, struggling to get seen online. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm here to talk about a problem that plagues many businesses, not getting enough online visibility. In today's digital world, if people can't find you online, you practically don't exist. But don't worry, there's a solution: Google Ads. Google Ads, formerly known as AdWords, is a powerful advertising platform that allows you to reach your target audience exactly when they're searching for products or services like yours. But here's the thing, setting up and managing Google Ads campaigns can be complex. There are different campaign types, targeting options, bidding strategies, and more. It can be overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with the platform. That's where I come in. I'm a Google Ads specialist, and I can help you with setting up your Google Ads account. I'll guide you through the entire process, from creating your account to setting your budget, crafting compelling ad copy. I'll write clear, concise, and targeted ads that grab attention and get clicks. Choosing the right campaign types, whether it's search ads, display ads, or the new PMax campaigns, I'll help you select the best option to reach your goals. Optimizing your campaigns, I'll constantly monitor your campaigns and make adjustments to improve performance and maximize your return on investment (ROI). By taking care of your Google Ads, I can help you increase website traffic, get more qualified leads visiting your website, boost brand awareness, make sure your target audience knows who you are and what you offer, drive sales and conversions, convert those website visitors into paying customers. Ready to take your online marketing to the next level? Head over to Fiverr and search for my services. I'll help you set up, manage, and optimize your Google Ads campaign so you can finally get the online visibility your business deserves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful marketing tips.